up, Mama Jones squad? Mama Jones is about to tackle these bad feet. These bad feet, y'all. They a mess. They a hot mess. But I'm finna show y'all. I'm trying the Volcano Spa. And I go to the, let me show you that. I go to the beauty store out here, well, the nail store out here, and be getting it. Now, this one was $3. This is a Volcano Spa Pedicure with 6 steps, you guys. And they had a detox volcano crystals, detox volcano activator, the elofting sugar scrub, y'all, the collagen cream mask, and the collagen massage lotion and spa liner. 6 steps. Now with the spa liner, I ain't see no liner in here, but anyway, let's get into it. But I'm just gonna prep my water. I'm gonna just prep my water, you guys, right now, because I got to get all this stuff off these toes. And let me tell you, this is a callus remover. This works because Mom Jones got calluses. Wait, I need to get that out first. Alright, gang. Whew. I bought some Valentine's Day hearts, and I don't know where they at. I have them sitting right here, and they gone. But anyway, let me prep this water tub. This is hideous. So I'm finna get my little water ready. While I get my water ready. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and start this. Step 1. Ooh, this smells so good. Tropical citrus, detox volcano crystals. Ooh, this smells so good. Ooh, there's a lot in it too. Hey, I might have to, I ain't gonna use all this, y'all. They use a little bit. Let's save it. Fold this up. Step 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now let me go put my callus ocean fresh purifying and restoring foot soak, y'all. This removes calluses. A bit of that in it. Just broke. Okay, I'm waiting on that. Go ahead and do this. Get this off my toes. And these toes ain't been done since the day after Christmas. They look forward. I gotta get this gel up here. Alright, gang. Woo. Nail shop. This was the ugliest toe. Really was. Alright, gang, so let me go and apply my callus remover. here too though. Okay, and here we go. Baby, I'll probably do some gel on these toes. I don't know what I'm coming up with yet. Okay, y'all see that? So I'm just gonna clean it up. Now I'm gonna add my scrub. I think I'm gonna do some gel full set. Well, feel on my toes. Let me go home and do this massage lotion. Do I got to wash this out? Let me see. Massaging to skin. Oh, yeah. No. I don't gotta wash it out. I'm gonna mix these together. Shucks. It's not bad. This pack for $3. $3. So I'm gonna mix this together. And we're just gonna work it on in them feet, baby. Alright, gang. So I cleaned them, my toes with alcohol. So now I'm filing this shiny coat off. Then I'm gonna do apply some gel overlay on them. Now, I'm gonna add my crumb. All right. So, here I have my Builder Gel and base coat, you guys. All right, so base coat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this base coat here. Then I'm gonna use my other one too. But I just want to make sure it sticks. Now with this, you got to make sure you get full coverage, because if you don't, your gel is not gonna stick, you guys. It's not gonna stick. So you kind of like want to brush it in. Hold on, I'm just gonna put a little on each toe, like that. Come back with my other little brush and brush it in real good. So more easier for me. So we're gonna use this brush to make sure that we get full coverage. We're gonna kind of brush it in to make sure it covers. Get the tip of your toes. Because if you don't, you gonna know. Because it's not gonna cure. It'll cure, but it's gonna be wet underneath and it's gonna start to bubbling up. Extra girl, I know. So just brushing it in, y'all. Alright, we're gonna go and put that in the light. Now, same thing on this foot, y'all. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Alright, gang, so now I'm finna do my builder gel. And as you see, I'm gonna just go and add that on there. Okay. So, stay tuned. Okay, gang, so I done filled them. Wait, I might have to add a little more. I ain't gonna add no more. So I done filled them, y'all. So what I'm finna do now is file them, shape them, and then I'll come back and we gonna polish them. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. Taking me a long time. I'm gonna do all white. This gel polish. I can't polish, y'all. It all. My alcohol, clean it up. Alright, gang, so I'm finally finished my toes. Yeah, I'm finished. They look a little better. I ain't no professional, but I get the job done. So I gotta do these nails. Stay tuned.
Head ass gang, 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 on that head ass gang. Peanut butter head